Happy Sunday. Today, I'm finally going on my hike. I'm going to go hiking and I'm going to go heal. Get out of nature and seek the Most High. If you're dealing with anything, nature has so many healing qualities. Get out of nature today. Turn off your phone and tune in to the Most High. I'm going to have a video posted up soon on my hiking experience. This is my first time, and I got my new boots. See? Yep. I can't wait to show you all the results. So get your life and more abundantly. Happy Sunday. Happy healing.